Ooh la la, this is... Lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's Caris here if this is your first time. So for today I'm going to be doing a red lip tutorial. I'll show you how to get a perfect red lips, and also I'm going to be reviewing the Fenty Beauty Stunna lip stain in Uncensored. So we're going to be doing a review on this today. So before I jump right into this tutorial, click the subscribe button down below. Also click the notification bell so you're notified as soon as I upload. I'll just jump right into this video. So for the perfect red lip, you need your lips to be very the base to be even. So if you had lip gloss on, take that out. If you've got, like, I had Vaseline on my lips before, but I think it's all come off anyway. So you take off any Vaseline you've got. Make sure your lips are a very even base. So sometimes you can use your foundation or you can use concealer just to make sure your lips are even. Put in a bit of powder just to make sure it's really even for when I apply the lip colors. So it doesn't have to be perfect, but it just needs to be dry. Your lips need to be not too dry, but it needs to be moisturized. So before your lip application, you need to have just put Vaseline when you're doing the rest of your makeup. I did Vaseline on my lips, and now at the end of my makeup I'm just making sure it's a matte base. It's like a clean, even base. The next thing is to line your lips. It's important to line your lips because you could easily just use this straight on, but because it's just better, it gives the line and you follow the line. So I think it's easy for beginners to have the lip lined first. So to line my lip, I'm gonna be using the lip pencil from MAC. This is in the shade Vino. So this is the MAC, the name has rubbed off. You can see how small it is. I've been using this for a long time. So I'm gonna line my lips now. So I'll be looking at my mirror, but I would kind of slightly overline. So I'll go like so. I've kind of, my pencil is kind of broken, so I'm going to sharpen it again. Okay, so I've got my pencil sharpened. I hope you guys can see it. I would now line my lips. I don't know why this keeps breaking, but I'll just crack on. I tend to do my lips like this when I line. So I can see the problem areas. I've done a bit of a mistake here. I'm just going to use a clean brush to correct it. I'm going to do the bottom of my lips. I'm just going to do like this. Then I tend to put a bit more on the side, just to give it that ombre effect. So this is my lips lined. I'm just gonna have a look just to make sure they're the same and clean up anything that needs to be cleaned. So this is the shade Vino. MAC lip liner in Thinner, and this is what my lips are looking like at the moment. I'm just gonna clean up the edges, and I'm going in with a concealer. So this is my foundation actually. I'm just going in with my foundation with a small brush. This is my NYX brush. This is, you know, this brush that comes with a spoolie from NYX. So this is the brush I'm using. This is in the number, this is the NYX number 18 brush. So NYX number 18. You can use any small brush. As long as it's small, then it should be fine. I'm just gonna clean up the lips. So I'm gonna come closer. So some people go in with a concealer, but I try to use the foundation because it blends easily. So you can go in with a concealer, but you need to blend it very well. So I go with my foundation because it blends really nicely when you use your foundation. I did overline a tad bit, but this is what the lip liner is looking like. So now to the star of the show. So this is the Fenty Beauty Stunna Lip Paint, and this is in the shade Uncensored. These retails for £20 here in the UK. 12-hour hold, that's what it claims to do, 12 hours. It says it's long wearing. It comes in this glass bottle like so, really nice looking. It comes in 9 shades from the colors I could see to buy. So it says 9 shades. It says it's really smooth, 12 hours, intense. So I'm just gonna apply this. So this is what the applicator looks like. Really, really nice. Really nice applicator. Has a very interesting applicator. Okay, so I'm gonna start applying it. Wow, look at that pigment, guys. Wow, this red is intense, guys, like intense. So this is what the first coat is looking like. I'm just gonna grab in a brush and clean here a bit. I'm gonna apply it on the bottom side. Ooh la la, this is like, I'm gonna clean this up a bit. So this is what it's looking like so far. Wow, this red is insane. Like, it's beautiful. Love the way it looks. So I'm gonna just clean this up with a concealer like I did before. I'm just gonna use my 18 NYX 18. Okay, so I decided to add in a bit more. This is really super pigmented, guys, like literally pigment. So this is what the lips are looking like. So this is the lip tutorial. This is how to achieve a bump red lip, guys. I really love this Fenty Beauty Stunna. I don't know why I waited this long to get it. It's just that I've got so many red lipstick, guys. Like, I love red, I love orange, and I've got so many. So I just like, I'll get this later. I finally picked this one up and I really, really love it. I love the pigment. It's super pigmented, and this red is just a dream. Like, it glided on so nice. Is it worth the hype? Yes, it is. It's worth the hype. It's really, really nice. And I like the way it feels. Doesn't feel dry at all. Doesn't feel like dry and something that would, and it looks on point. Like, it looks on point. I've had this on for like 5 minutes or so. So I'm gonna do a test, a transfer test, to see if it does transfer. This is what's on the thingy. I don't know if it's the liner. I think it transfers a bit, yeah, but I think the liner transferred more than the lippy. Can you guys see it? Yeah, just around the center didn't really transfer, so I think maybe it's the liner that transferred more than the Fenty Stunna. So I think the liner transferred more than the Fenty Stunna, looking at this. But this is what it's looking like after my transfer test. I just love the way it's glided on. I love the fact that it's not drying. It doesn't feel like I've got like a drying thing, so it feels comfortable. So I really like the Stunna lippy. I don't know if it's 12 hours. I'll put it to the test today because I'm doing a wear test. So I'm gonna do a wear test as well and come back to let you know how this holds up. Okay, this is after 8 hours, guys, and this is what the lipstick is looking like. I'm really, really impressed. Like, super impressed, guys. It held on really nicely. I'll just show you what it's looking like in a close-up. So after 8 hours, this is looking amazing. Though I didn't eat much, it doesn't look dry. You know, some liquid lipstick after 4 hours they'll be looking patchy and they'll be looking so dry. This doesn't, and it feels nice. Consider the fact that I didn't use any lip gloss, nothing. It feels really nice on my lips. It doesn't look or feel dry. I could rock this for another 8 hours. Technically, I can. So let's look at what this lippy claims to do. So this lippy claims to be a weightless. I think I'll agree with that. It doesn't feel like I've got anything on. It says it's a 12-hour liquid lipstick with a soft matte finish. It's 8 hours and this is what it's looking like. Amazing. So definitely after 12 hours it should be able to, 8 hours, like, it's 8 hours, so we have just 4 hours left, and I think from the look of it it's gonna last 12 hours. So it definitely is 12-hour wear, I would say. It's a soft matte finish. I love the finish. It's not drying at all, and it says it won't feather and it's got stain kissably smooth. I would actually say yes. And it really lasts all day. No matter what you do, it won't budge. I would say yes, because I've had something to eat. I drank things, and I've drank a couple of drinks, tea, I've had water, I've had some greasy meat. So technically this has stayed on, and I really, really love this. I love the color, I love the way it's smooth. And most of all, it's not drying. So in terms of my final views on this, I like the pro for this is that it's not drying. Liquid lipsticks tend to be drying. That's just something that that's why I didn't really like it at first. But this one is just amazing. Like, it glided on smoothly on application. So in terms of pro, it is super pigmented. That's number 1 pro. Glide on really nice, and it's not drying. It's just my lips are still soft. They don't feel dry, they don't feel cakey, they don't feel, and it stayed on all day. You know, it's just amazing. I've got nothing bad apart from maybe the price, that is 20 pounds. That's the only con is the price is quite high, but you know, for something that will stay all day, 20 pounds is not that bad. And for other lipsticks, they're about the same range. For very good lipstick, it's about the same range. So 20 pounds is not really that bad, but you know, for some people it's not really drugstore, is it? So that's the only con I would say for the price. Apart from that, I love this lippy. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up if you did. Also, comment down below, let me know what you think. Have you got this lipstick? what do you think? And also subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Click the subscribe button. You know, I really appreciate it. Join the family. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you're notified as soon as I upload. I'll see you in my next one, guys. Bye.